morning, friends. I'm Dr. Mushir Mujibuddin Siddiqui, orthopedic surgeon. Now, today we are going to talk on a very common topic, that is lower back pain. Each and every one of us have lower back ache in our life period of time, but we don't know what is the main reason of lower back pain. So, the lower back pain is the pain that happens in your lower spine. It is usually due to a muscle spasm. So, people think it's a muscle spasm and neglect that lower back ache that gives a major issue in future. So, lower back pain can be classified into three things or four topics. And the if you have a lower backache that is less than 6 weeks, it can be considered as an acute lower backache. If it is the period is from 6 weeks to 12 weeks, it can be considered into subacute phase. And when the lower backache is more than 12 weeks, that's an alarming sign, and that is a chronic lower backache. Now, what are the causes of lower backache? Usually, the lower backache causes are classified into 3 4 subtypes. One is first is postural activities. If you have an improper posture, you tend to have a lower back issue. Now, what is the correct or what is the posture that gives you most problem? Those are forward bending, and while sitting you don't support your own spine. Second, there are other causes in which females get lower backache in pregnancy, and sometimes it is in menstrual cycles. It is physiological. Third, whenever we have trauma means you get a fracture, you injure yourself, you fall down. So those are classified into that. And the fourth is old age people, the degenerative phase where your the bone quality is not good. That is the reason the disc reduction space happens. So these are very general causes. So how to take care of your own spine? So you have to just do simple things and your spine will be very good. So first is whenever you sit, while you sit at home, at office, or at any place, you should correct your posture while sitting. You should touch your back. That hump should be eliminated. You should not forward bend. You should not lean too much forward and sit. You should not sit for prolonged hours. Anything that you are lifting from the floor, you should not bend on the floor and lift something so that it can give you a sprain or strain to your back. Second, while you are doing gym, you should be precautious while lifting any heavy weight. Okay? And other than that, you should be uh, doing certain exercises so that your lumbar muscles are strengthened and they are in proper position so that it can support your spine. And generally, walking is a good thing for spine, but you should walk in a proper posture. I have seen people walking in gardens in a forward drooping position. They think that they are walking normally, but that's not the right posture. You have to stand upright, shoulders should be straight, and you should walk normally in a proper position. Then it is helpful. So this is just a general discussion of lower backache. So if you are dealing with these issues, you can consult your doctor if it is chronic and get an X-ray and start the treatment. Other than this, just do general things: calcium, vitamins, exercises, daily sunlight, good amount of protein and nutrients intake. Milk is a good source of energy, and less of a mental stress, and sleeping position on the bed and the mattress should be good. So this can sum up your lower backache and you will be good.